Diary, hello. It is July 2024, and this is probably the world's latest Apple MacBook Air M1 unboxing. Let me explain. So let's start the unboxing first, and I shall ramble on at the same time. So this is an Apple MacBook Air M1, and that means to say it is a 2010 device, not a MacBook M2 or M3, but yes, it's an original 13.3 inch M1. And the reason I have my little hands on it is that I'm buying it in conjunction with somebody else for one of the charitable organisations that we work with. Now, although it's arrived a little bit late, I did order this on Amazon. And one of the things you've got to know about Apple products is that, I'm showing you the lovely opening mechanism. So there's the opening, and it's in this lovely kind of special bubble wrap. And we're going to put that aside, and we're going to see what else they have given me first of all. So one of the things you have to know about Apple computers is, yes, they are very expensive compared with their Windows counterparts, but they have this amazing benefit that not many people talk about, but I'm going to tell you the secret right now. And that secret is they have a resale value. So this is approximately a 4-year-old computer, and it's selling for more than 50% of its original purchase price. So this cost me about £540. I've been looking left, right, and the price is oscillating between £540 and £580 for a machine in excellent condition. So that's the looks like a decent power adapter. It's not an Apple power adapter, but looks just like one. And we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then in the Mr. Bubble wrap, we've got the device itself. Now, the reason I'm rambling on about this and doing the world's slowest unboxing as well as the world's last unboxing is that I'm trying to figure out, is it good value for money? I firmly believe the M1, which I've had, an M1 Air, is a brilliant machine, and I'm going to give you some reasons as to why. One of the main reasons that the Apple computer range current is brilliant is because of suspend and resume. And that's the fact that you can be doing anything on an Apple MacBook computer and you can just shut the lid, it pauses, and when you open it, I'm 100% confident, not just 99.9, I'm 100% confident that it's going to work and it'll resume instantly. And that just cannot be said for any of the Windows laptops that I have owned in the last decade. There are often problems coming out of hibernation or hybrid mode or sleep mode, or just I guess the only time that there would never be a problem is if you configure the power settings so that when you close the lid it does nothing. Then when you open the lid, pretty much you're going to guarantee that the system. So one of the major advantages I have with the Apple range of computers is their ability to suspend resume, and it is just legendary. The other thing about the MacBook Air is, including the current one, is there is no fan. So just because of that, it's a very thin and svelte device. And indeed, I don't really understand what some people get out of buying the entry-level MacBook products when the MacBook Air is the same kind of speed. People say, oh, well, if you push it heavily, oh, it's gonna thermally throttle. But yeah, let's get real. How many actual MacBook Air or MacBook users push their machine very heavily? It's a tiny percentage, and the people that do should be buying something more powerful, like a desktop or a MacBook Pro with an M3 chip in it. So as you can see, we've got two sockets here, USB-C sockets. They're Thunderbolt capable. You can charge out of either one of them. There's a headphone jack on this side, and that's it. I'm looking at the machine. There's a few nicks on this edge here. It's not perfect by any means. Again, there's nicks around the whole body of the machine. Can I just plug it in and see that it's gonna work? Let's unplug that soldering iron. plug on the adapter. Again, it's not, I can tell it's not an Apple adapter, so it doesn't quite look right. Got a silver edge. I'm just gonna, oh, makes no sound. So I can see it's working. Hello. Okay, get started. It's in English now. Okay, fair enough. English UK. English UK. Let's check the keyboard. It's English UK. That's good. The keyboard looks absolutely excellent. I think it's a winner. We're going to power it up, and the first thing we'll obviously check is the battery count. I think that's an important check. Okay, let's continue later.